Alright guys, this is the finished product. I made this one pretty quick. The whole thing, making the handle, probably took me about an hour and a half to make the handle. I went a little grind crazy on the pommel. I'll give you a close-up in a little bit. I used the cherry wood finish on it just to give it some color. This is oak. The branch you saw me cut in the beginning is an oak tree branch from some overgrown branch that had grown over in my yard. And here you can see that this spot in the wood actually took a little bit more of the cherry stain than the rest of it did. I decided to put two circular leather spacers right there to kind of help me put that pommel back in. If you look really closely, you'll notice that after I used adhesive and all that the pommel's not 100%. It could have used another 20% of a turn. But from starting off as a branch a couple of hours ago to this, it's not bad, you know. The company that does the knife blank is Cumberland Cutlery. And it's a cool little knife blank to play with. I wanted to do that because I wanted to see if I could just pop out a handle real quick, which I did. I fast forwarded through the cutting parts and some of the boring parts. Hopefully you found it a little bit entertaining. But it's a nice little project, especially when you have like a stressful work week, which I did. Sometimes you're just dying to do something with your hands, guys, because when you do something with your hands, you're releasing some of that stress. You do something that you love, you do something that you enjoy doing, something that's satisfying to you, and the reward is you get to release some of that stress. And that's what I was doing with this little project. I had to release some stress, and what better way than to find a nice craft to work on. If you look at it closely, you can see that it is wood. It kind of looks like stag, but it isn't. It's from an oak tree in my yard. So it went from a tree branch to knife handle in about an hour and a half. So it went pretty quick. The blade itself, I think it's 440. It's okay. They give you all the materials that you need. Like I said, I used a little bit of a leather to make the spacers for this. Went a little grind happy on the pommel. But other than that, it's okay. I think I did all right on the spacing. I mean, it's not 100%, but it'll get the job done. You know, for this being just a cheap knife blank. I like the shape of the blade quite a bit. You got some jimping right here. It's going to need a little bit better sharpening than it is now, but that's okay. It's a good knife to use so that you don't use some of your higher end knives. It's a good little way to pass the time. So I enjoyed doing this, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video I made. Just to show you that you can go from having no knife handle to a knife handle pretty darn quick. And certainly there are a lot of ways to do this, right? I could have cut slits in the branch like that and kind of made it into made a pattern, and I could have done little sections of wood, and I could have put some plastic inserts in the middle or leather inserts in the middle. I could have done it several ways, but I wanted to do it in an expedited manner. So wanted to show you this. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. You know, in my channel, I usually make videos on vintage knives. Sometimes I do how-to videos. This is one of those. If I see a knife that's unique, I tend to do a video on it if it catches my fancy. I want to tell you this is a knife detector channel, and I hope you enjoy what's left of your weekend. God bless you, my friends. Thank you for watching.